Hi everyone, in this video we're going to start modifications and rebuilding Wilson. Alright, let's have a look at where we're up to now. So I have done a couple of little things in between videos which are going to get reversed anyway, and I'll talk about that in 1 second. But at the moment we have the bike completely stripped down. The seats are just sitting here because I was sick of having them on my workbench, and I taped off and repainted the bottom triple tree. I think this looks so much better than the silver. I wish it was black from factory, but essentially all I did was just tape everything off, especially underneath like the brake lines here. Hopefully you can see that. The brake lines here and everything. So I've actually resprayed all the metal for the brake lines. I've resprayed the brake lines and the splitter that's up here. And that was pretty much it for the triple tree. I just taped off the forks and everything. And then the top triple tree needs a repaint as well, but I'm actually going to be taking off the handlebars. I don't know if I'm going to buy some clip-ons or if I'm going to repaint these ones, because really it's only that little bit that you're going to see. So it might be okay to just repaint that. And then when I've got the top triple tree off, I'll give that a coat of paint as well as these top nuts here as well. I'll probably just tape off and repaint those as well, just to make everything black. Oil cooler needs to be painted black as well. And then in between videos, what I did is I pulled the wheels apart. I did record a little bit and I'll put that up now, but I've repainted the rear brake caliper mount, repainted the center of the brake disc, repainted the sprocket, and repainted the wheel, and I did the front on the same on the front wheel as well. And then I also repainted these nuts and these bolts here, and same for the bolts on the front. Now the thing is, I had one bolt that was stripped, so I've had to order new bolts anyway. I'm not happy with the gold. I used a gold spray paint that it's like graffiti paint, and I thought it would look all right. This sort of gives you an idea what it looks like. It doesn't look gold. It looks like fake gold. So essentially that's going to get stripped again. The bolts and all the bolts and everything are going to get redone. I'm just waiting till next year. I'm getting a powder coating gun, so I'm going to get powder coat, gold powder coat, and go over anything that I want to make gold with gold powder coat instead of spray can. All right, so let's get started on the next stage of the bike. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with the tail light yet because I don't like that it's clear, but it's pretty hard here in Australia with regulations to black them out. I know I've done it on my cruiser over here. That's blacked out, but that's blacked out. That was bought blacked out, so it's been approved of that. So maybe I'll get it tinted. Maybe I'll end up just leaving it. We have quite a few parts that have shown up, so we're going to be going to putting the number plate bracket back on with the LED indicators. I need to rewire all those because the previous owner did such a dodgy job with those, as I talked about in the last episode. And we also need to do a full service. And then the other thing that I need to get started on is paint. Start rubbing back all of the plastic panels, the tank and everything, and start painting all that. I might tackle this rear end first because I'm really want to get some gold on here and see how it looks. So let's get going on that. Alright, so here's the box of parts that have arrived so far. Still have more on the way, but let's start with getting the we're going to start from the rear to the front, pretty much. So the first thing we're going to get is the number plate bracket. Okay, and we're going to put this on with the new indicators up here. So let's get that put on and we'll start working our way forward from here.
Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag and I might take a risk. Don't get close cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm trying to get lit. Trying to get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Swear these niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flip. With a whipping, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fly than this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip.
Alright, so it's now currently the next day, and what I want to try and tackle today is I want to get the O-rings out that needs to be replaced so that I can take them to the shop and match them up. And I want to start working on the exhaust. Now the full exhaust system is going to get painted black. It then needs to be heat treated, but I want to at least get it painted, put back on the black, and then once the fuel tank is back on the black, we can do the heat cycles.
Drop it down like that. Think I'm in a movie, join my cast. Scorsese, get my shots real fast. Get them lights on, show me how you move. When you work that back, now sway. Ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Ooh, see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, what the peso, no, I blow in glaze. I'ma speak to you another way, sway. Ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Ooh, see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, what the peso, no, I blow in glaze. I'ma speak to you another way. This is all the nightlife I like, ooh. Take another shot now, baby, make it two. Just another wild night, I give you the blues. Let me take you to another room, ayy. This is all the nightlife I like, ooh. Looking at the side like this, a lot of booze. I don't wanna buy stand, give me all the juice. Need a lap dance now, give me Belvy or the goose. Where the drinks at now, give me Belvy or the goose. Now sway. Now sway. Parlay, yeah, I speak Francais. Back low, yeah, I like the way you don't say. No, I'm blowing glaze, doesn't matter what I say. Just work that back for me, and my baby gon' sway. Ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Oh, see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, where the peso, no, I'm blowing glaze. I'ma speak to you another way, sway. Ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Ooh, see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, where the peso, no, I'm blowing glaze. I'ma speak to you another way, sway. Ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Hey, you see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, where the peso, no, I'm blowing glaze.
Alright, so one thing I need to do before I can prep this part for paint is this is where the blinker used to be, so that needs to get filled in and also fix any cracks and stuff I can see. So to do that, we're just going to use epoxy, fill this hole in and fix the crack. We'll sand it back and then we'll probably use some body filler just to smooth it all out completely. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end this video. I did get those holes filled with the epoxy. Once that was dry, added some Bondo to smooth it all out and have added some primer over the top. You can't even tell that there was holes there to begin with, which is exactly what I was going for. And I will show the process of that in the next video, but I do want to get a video out because it has been a little while since I've put a video out, and I just want to update you on what's going on. So this is what the bike is looking like now. And if you're wondering what the hell is going on here, that's also going to be covered in the next video. But essentially, we're changing the headlight. This doesn't look good at the moment, but trust me, once it's done, it'll look smick. So if you don't want to miss out on seeing what's going on here and want to see the rest of the build, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to like this video so I know that you're enjoying the series on the Hyosung. You want to make sure that you see that next video so that you can see the finished project, see what I've done to it. I'll make a big catalogue of everything that's been done, go through how much everything costs, get it back on the road, so the cost for that as well, and then we're going to get the bike up on the market and try and sell it. So thanks for watching this video of BKR Custom Motorbikes, and I'll see you next time.